If you're a legal professional, you won't want to miss this. A pivotal Supreme Court ruling on desertion and divorce. The Supreme Court has granted a divorce to a man after 16 years of separation from his wife. The marriage, solemnized in March 1999, saw discord by 2006. In 2008, the husband sought restitution of conjugal rights, a plea allowed in 2013. Despite the directive, the wife refused to comply, prompting the husband to file for divorce, which was granted by a family court. In 2019, the High Court set aside this divorce decree. The man then approached the Supreme Court. Mediation failed, leading to the Supreme Court's July 8th order allowing the divorce. The court noted the wife's desertion since 2008 and confirmed the decree under Section 13(1) IB. The husband offered a 30 lakhs as one-time alimony, which the court took on record. Senior advocate Sukumar Patyoshi represented the husband, while advocate Sri Sharma appeared for the wife. Case closed.